So you'll want to fly drones. What's up, guys? My name is Mark the Shark, aka Ohio Drone Perspective, aka Mark Sleeks, and I today am going to show you how to start a drone business. But first, Walmart. Because why am I at Walmart, you ask? Well, I don't know any better way to tell this story than, well, to go fishing. So let's go fishing. So step one. Get good at Adobe, or if you use Apple, whatever they got. Get good at video editing software and stay in tune with the trends. All right, so you just gotta remember how important this process is. Learning the video side of things is going to make or break you. So once you've got your skills honed in on the video editing side of things, I guess it's time to go and take your Part 107 drone license course. I recommend maybe purchasing some online material or potentially just watching YouTube videos and taking your course. It'll probably take you about 2 weeks to study. Go get them. So once you've got your FAA license, I guess it's time to get a drone. There's many schools of thought on this, but in my opinion, when you're starting out, I think that the Mavic series is perfect for what you're going to be doing. The Mavic series shoots in 4K, and you really don't need anything more than that. So, if you want to go a step up, and you are like, you know what, I'm going to really spend some money. You know, you want to spend, I think $5,000-$6,000, you can go for the Inspire series. And I've seen some comparative footage, and I guess there is a slight improvement, but the average person wouldn't be able to tell. So a real important tip to take away is that when moving your drone and getting that cinematic shot left to right or up and down, it is important to add a third variable in there. So what I mean by that is if you're going left to right, also be going up and maybe forward or backwards. So don't just rely on your X and Y axis. Use multiple movements at the same time to add that extra cinematic feeling and that cool look. So flying drones, for the most part, as made by DJI, is pretty actually easy to fly. Fishing, on the other hand, is not. In fishing, there are line tangles, there's fish getting off the hook. And that's kind of where the drone business is too. Many big fish or big deals may not fall into your lap. You got to fight for them, and if you're not getting the deals you want, then you probably need to check your content and work on your creative self. So now that you've mastered the art of video editing, you've got your FAA Part 107 license, you've got your drone, you're ready to go. So the next thing to do is make a video. Now, I highly suggest going out to a park, going to a public place, and making a video for them. I would totally ask them first. And what you could do is you can post it in a Google review or to your Facebook page or to your YouTube page or whatever it is. and get some practice. You're going to have to practice a lot. The more you practice, the more you'll learn. Every time you make a video, you will learn something new, or you should. So you've got your drone business going, you've got yourself a few good deals, you're real happy with your work. Let me suggest you start a website. Pretty much from the moment I started my website, I have consistently got business from it. I've gotten random business calls and really actually some pretty cool jobs from my website. A lot of big time employers will look through Google and they'll find you. Work on your SEO. Pay someone to work on your SEO. Now the name of this video is how to start a drone business, and I would say for the most part most of you are thinking about getting into cinematic drones, but that's not the title of this video. It's how to get into the drone business. There are so many different ways you can get in. Being in the game, I've realized how many different things that drones can be used for. And to be honest, the future is drones in a lot of different settings. So if you're not going to get into cinematic drones, you can always get into inspections and get in with some companies and get some certifications that will land you a few jobs. May get to travel the United States. I know a few people that do that, and they're living their best life. Now, if traveling the United States, taking video of cell phone towers isn't your forte, you can maybe get into agricultural drones. They have these drones out now that scan the entire field in just a few minutes and then relay that information over to a different drone that can carry buckets of pesticides and fertilizer, and it can go and spot spray the exact spots you need sprayed, or fertilizer or pesticides, in a super efficient way. So agricultural drones may be the next future of the ag industry. I bet it will be. Now you're watching this and you're like, man, I have a job. How am I going to do all this? Well, let me tell you, you're in luck, because it's really your time. When you own a business, you work on your time. And yeah, you have plenty of time. Now, if cinematic drones or agricultural drones or inspection drones don't really suit your fancy, there's always another way. You could maybe become a drone pilot and race them. Yes, I said race drones. There's actually a big movement starting. It's called FPV racing, and these guys are going upwards of 150 miles an hour through this extreme course and racing. It's done with goggles and first-person view in real time, so they can see exactly every second that's going on and make sharp turns and do all this really cool stuff. So hey, maybe you could be a drone racer. That's pretty cool. So I appreciate you guys watching this. If you like it, give me a subscribe, hit the like button, and if you guys have any questions, I will be glad to answer them in another video. If they're short, I may answer them in the comments. But yeah, thanks for watching. I know this video was kind of goofy, pretty vague, and there's a lot more knowledge that I can share with you. If you would like, just ask the question and give me inspiration for the next video. Thanks guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.